The state government has asked Tani Jongkey, the Joint Commissioner Tax and Excise, to go on retirement with immediate effect. Now, the compulsory retirement has been imposed as a punishment for sexually assaulting a 11-year-old girl. In an order issued by the state's Chief Secretary on August 12, 2019, Jongkey has been imposed with the penalty of compulsory retirement with immediate effect under the Central Civil Service Rules 1965. The state government noted that the Jongkey did not present any new and convincing evidence in his defense for the consideration, and such, the charges against the erring officer were found to be proved beyond reasonable doubt. On 2nd June 2017, Jongkey was accused of sexually assaulting an 11-year-old girl and was booked by the police under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, that is the POCSO Act. He was placed under the suspension on August 22, 2017, and an inquiry officer was appointed to inquire into the charges that were framed against the officer on the very same day. However, Jongkey filed a writ petition before the High Court and prayed for the revocation of his suspension order. And when no review of his suspension order, the officer was reinstated from November 21, 2017 by the court. Now, Chief Minister Pema Khandu, maintaining the no corruption policy, said that any person guilty of corruption would be facing penalty. Let's listen in.
इसमें कानूनी तौर पे जो सज़ा जो मिलना है वो तो मिलते रहेंगे, लेकिन सरकारी का जो नियम का मुताबिक जो सरकार को कदम उठाना था वो ऑलरेडी हम लोग ने डिसाइड करके नोटिफिकेशन भी निकाल दिया है। उसको हम लोग फोर्सफुली अभी रिटायरमेंट में भेज दिया है। सरकारी कर्मचारी इंक्लूडिंग एमएलए एंड मिनिस्टर्स कि गलत काम नहीं करना है, बार बार बोलने का बावजूद भी कहीं जगह में गलत काम हुआ है तो एक्शन तो मिलना ही है। अदरवाइज अगर हम एक्शन नहीं करेंगे तो फिर मैं इस पोस्ट में बैठने का